Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. I'm at Redondo Beach today. I'm going to share a beautiful view and information about this place. Please click and subscribe to see more videos like this. Redondo Beach Pier, located in Redondo Beach, California, is a historic and iconic landmark that has been a staple of the local community and a popular destination for visitors since its opening in 1889. The pier is situated along the beautiful Southern California coastline, offering breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean, making it a prime spot for both locals and tourists to enjoy the ocean breeze and scenic surroundings. The pier's history is rich and dates back to the late 19th century, when it was first constructed as a wooden structure. The original pier was designed to serve as a dock for steamships, facilitating travel and trade between Los Angeles and nearby coastal cities. This early iteration was a bustling hub, welcoming visitors and travelers arriving by boat. The pier quickly became a center of activity, attracting locals and tourists alike with its restaurants, shops, and attractions. Over the years, the pier has undergone multiple renovations and reconstructions due to damage caused by natural disasters and the wear and tear of time. One significant event in the pier's history was the fire in 1915 that destroyed much of the original structure. Despite the setback, the pier was rebuilt, and its popularity continued to grow. The most iconic structure on the pier today is the fishing pier, which provides space for anglers to cast their lines, as well as a place for visitors to enjoy the sights and sounds of the ocean. Additionally, there are shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues, including the popular Redondo Beach Fun Factory, which offers arcade games and family-friendly entertainment. The pier's location also made it a key spot for the development of the surrounding area, contributing to the growth of Redondo Beach as a prominent seaside city. It became an essential part of the city's tourism industry, offering a place for families to spend time together, for couples to enjoy romantic sunsets, and for people to simply relax and take in the coastal atmosphere. A notable feature of the modern Redondo Beach Pier is its transition from the original wooden structure to the concrete and steel platform seen today. This upgrade, which began in the 1960s and was completed in the 1980s, was necessary to ensure the pier's durability and longevity. The pier has remained a symbol of the city's vibrant history while adapting to contemporary needs. Today, Redondo Beach Pier remains an active, beloved spot for outdoor recreation, dining, shopping, and sightseeing. With its historical roots and modern amenities, it stands as a reminder of Redondo Beach's growth and development over the years. The pier continues to draw crowds with its unique combination of old-world charm and modern attractions, offering something for everyone who visits.
To see what they do with those.
Oh, it's like a circle. The fish?
Yeah. I don't think Jeff is like that, but Liv's mom is definitely like that.
Well, no, that was him. I believe he was in the conference. It might be going